Let's boost our mood, elevate our energy in simply 10 minutes of functional movement. Let's get started. Tap that foot out, arc the arms up nice and high. Let's get the upper body warmed up, the lower body warmed up, and move with intention today. Feeling tired after just waking up, maybe a little sluggish in the evening, you need a quick boost. Nothing like 10 minutes of simple movement to elevate our energy. Let's see how quickly we can do it today. Get those endorphins flowing. We just show up every day. Movement that matters. Bring real presence into everything we do. And then life is good. Life is grand. Oh, you feel it in the shoulders yet? I do. One more time. Yes. Okay, let's take our step back with an upright row. So, tap that toe when you come back, head up high, and really feel your shoulder blades coming together. Just move in whatever way makes sense for you. Slow it down, pick it up. We always modify to suit our needs. We're all at different levels. We just want to continue to build strength and balance, mobility. We were focused on a real strength, upper body strength session yesterday. So we're going to loosen things up. Maybe get the heart rate up a little bit more. But we really do incorporate all of it into every session. Be a little bit stronger, a little bit mobile, day by day. It's 10 minutes first thing, certainly. Gets the metabolism firing. Better food choices, better sleep. Oh yeah, what can't 10 minutes of movement do? Okay. Ooh, we'll work on a little bit of balance. Shake your arms out there, I think. Come on now. Yes. Okay. Make this fun, all right? We're gonna do a toe to heel roll. Just come up on the toes and then onto the heels, okay? But up, oops. That's what I wanna do, excuse me. Arms back when the toes cut, we come up. Arms forward when we come onto our heels. Engage your core. Find a nice rhythm. That's the move I was looking for. I get confused sometimes. See? Whoa! Okay. You can have a fall. It's okay. Back on the heels, on the toes. Oh, okay. I am having a challenging balance day. That's the reality. I accept it. I don't punish myself. Great. Something to work on today. Let's go. Here we go. What if I bring all my attention into this? Stop yammering. I can't make myself laugh. It's hard to balance then. Here we go. Oh, hold it. Okay, couple more. Am I doing this right now? That's what I want. All right. Last one, hold it up there. Hold on the tippy toes. Oh, that was a bit of a challenge for me today. I was even getting the coordination wrong. It's okay. Progress over perfection. No problem. Let's get right going here. Just nice punch, but pivot on the back foot also. I can do this one without messing up, I think. We'll come back to that heel to toe roll. I think that's a good exercise. That's one you can definitely do as I say and not as I do. It's funny just how we have days like that. Balance just isn't, wow, my balance was amazing yesterday. What's going on today? I don't know. Thank you for the challenge, life. the opportunity to get better and grow. Really pivot. Connect to your breath. Everything we do can be a moment of mindfulness, a moment of meditation. All we're doing is trying to practice paying attention. Majority of people are out there practicing being distracted for 16 hours a day. What if we brought real attention and focus into everything we did? Maybe we pick up the pace on this a bit. Let's get the heart rate up. Nice pivot, great stretch. Keep those arms up, we're building strength. But really, we're here now, here now, here now. Be here now, be here now. One more time, let's move on. Yeah. Okay, shake it out. High knee, reach and pull. Reach, real strong, intentional movement. Engage that core, real strength and balance exercise. Other side. Ooh, I'm on a bit of a hill here, which I do encourage. Find uneven terrain to do your movement on. Go for walks where it's not just flat. Work on different stabilizer muscles, build balance, core stability. Great. Going for walks on the sidewalk is wonderful. But if you can get into uneven terrain, amazing also. Other side. Oh yeah. Starting to feel it. So am I. So am I. And left side. I'm looking over here because as I was rolling into this spot, there was a deer. I was hoping it might make an appearance. That would be cool. Right in the middle of the city I am. The Central Park in Helsinki is absolutely incredible. I love it. Last one. Yes. Okay. I said no impact. I'm gonna see if I can do this. I'm not sure if I'm recovered well enough, but what we're gonna do, and you can just start. So, jumping jack. Sorry, we're not jumping, are we? So really, step jack, which amazing. Building mobility in the upper back, shoulders, strength, endurance, incredible exercise. If you're up for it, and I'm going to do a real jumping jack, not real, just a jumping jack. You do what works best for you. But I have no pain, and I'm going to celebrate with some jumping jacks because it feels amazing. So, again, maybe you're here. Great. Always do what's best for you. Don't worry about me. I'm just a guide. I'm gonna pick it up. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, baby. Couple more. And slow it down. That feels pretty good. No, that feels very good. Okay, last exercise. We're here to boost our mood and elevate our energy. Hopefully you've already done that, but for me, nothing boosts my mood like a little skip march. This just makes me happy. And every session we do, virtually I think, we want to talk about elevating our energy and boosting our mood. There's going to be a little skip march. And maybe that's just like this for you right now. Perfectly fine. Ooh. Definitely got the heart rate up. Conditioning is definitely something to work on here. Amazing. But if you got this move in you, maybe be playful, be childlike, move around your space. Maybe the legs go a little inwards. Oh, baby. Yes. Oh, hallelujah. We've done it. Mood is boosted. Energy, oh yes. Let me know how this went for you. Please comment. It inspires others to get moving. It definitely fires up when I get to hear from you. People all over the world. Amazing. What a community we have here. Let's just take it all in. Just be for a moment. Standing in mountain pose. Close your eyes if you like. Maybe take your attention to your fingertips. Do you feel a little bit of a pulse there? Just be. Oh, I feel like I could stand there for a while. I am so grateful to you. I sincerely mean that. I get so excited to get up and do this so that we can connect, we can move together, change the world. Why not? One movement at a time. Thank you. You matter so much. I appreciate it. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.